The dual degree in Business Administration and Design combines creativity and strong business insight to drive success. Participants develop their abilities to leave the program knowing how to make lasting impact. The two degrees work hand in hand, and in the final year, students look at the most advanced trends in a final project and design portfolio. Students can customize their experience by choosing the electives that interest them the most. And with the added design aspect of the program, students learn new ways of thinking. Many of our dual degree students finish the program and go on to specialize in business or design with a master program. If you're ready to make an innovative, lasting impact, this program is for you.